they're saying this is
This is Vogel Canyon. We made it. We came right over that hill, and it was just suddenly a wide open expanse. Down there, it's like flat and bare, and up here it's all shrubbery and rocks and whatnot. So there's a cool dynamic going on. Over there, there's a plaque. We think that there's probably some paintings over there.